Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zach and today we're doing another ECOMI VeVe video. Currently, the price is... Sorry, I'm just looking at different screens on my screen. Here we go. Currently, the price would be 5831, a low of 5361 and a high of 59 over the past 24 hours. Now, in this video, we're going to go over a few different things. First of all, we may as well go over the new news that VeVe have put out about new comics. This is like a recurring thing now, and it makes sense, right? When you get the Marvel license, you better take advantage of it. The first appearance of Dark Hawk. Dark Hawk #1 features VeVe exclusive rare and ultra rare covers by Ron Lim. Drops in blind box format Thursday, 9 December, which is tomorrow at 8 AM PT. Let's look at the details below. Next, Marvel Digital Comics drops on Thursday, 9 December at 8 AM PT, only on VeVe. The next offering in VeVe's digital comic lineup continues with another iconic comic from Marvel, Dark Hawk #1, fully readable with 5 cover rarities in blind box format. Okay, let's have a look at this. For one, we have the classic cover, which is the common. Then we have the vintage variant, which is the uncommon. Then we have the hero variant, which is the rare. Then we have a vibranium variant, which is the ultra rare. And then we have the true belief variant, which is the secret rare. Okay. 5 different variants as per usual. The first appearance of Dark Hawk, when teenager Chris Powell finds a mysterious amulet, he is transformed into the superhero Dark Hawk, thrilled to the original story of one of Marvel's hottest heroes for the 90s. As the newborn Dark Hawk unravels the mystery of his armored, avenging alter ego. Release features VeVe exclusive rare and ultra rare covers by Ron Lim. This price is $6.99 as per usual. Per usual, 30,000. Published 1991. Classic cover 21,000. Vintage variant 5,000. 2,350 hero variants. 1,050 vibranium variants and 600 true believer variants. We're gonna have a quick look actually at what this would be in real life, worth and value wise. Let's have a look at this real quick. Okay, I'm not sure why my browser's gone into dark mode. Can I change that? I didn't change that setting today. I didn't do anything with my settings. I'm not sure why everything is dark mode, but there you go. Okay, so we have right here, let's go to Comic Book Realm, Dark Hawk issue #1. Okay, so we're seeing right here that there's a number of, these are not very high sales at all. Looking at sort of $20, $4, $3. These are all on, or some of them I guess are on eBay. I can't imagine that's correct. Let's try a different one. Let's try gocollect.com. Let's see. Okay. So, pardon me. If we go down a little bit, so some people here are asking for hundreds of dollars. We have one going for $850, another one going for $400, another one $350. This definitely isn't what I was expecting. I was expecting it to go a bit higher than that, personally. Let's see what Quality Comics is saying for the same amount. Does Quality Comics have one? Because I normally go there, but maybe not. Okay. So not the highest amount, but what are your thoughts? What do you think the value will be of this? Obviously, it's not a one-to-one NFT to real life by any means, but a lot of what we see oftentimes can go into, you know, the thousands at the very least. And right now, I'm not seeing anything that's over 1,000. So definitely interesting, but I don't know enough about these comics to dispute, I guess, the value. But will you be going for this? Let me know in the comments below. Would love to hear your take. And then, of course, I want to go over some other stuff. Looking at this stuff right here. So VeVe lately has been going down. People have been not exactly happy about it. Thankfully, though, VeVe finally are starting to feel free, it seems, or feel able to suggest what's going on, right? The AWS outage is a bit more severe than expected. Sorry, VeVe fan. Market will remain closed until the issues are resolved on their end. In the meantime, why not watch Women X VeVe and Reese? Of course, people wanting an ET, but I don't know how they do that because, again, this is an Amazon Web Services thing. Enough is enough. I mean, to be fair, some people are like, thanks for the updates, which is cool. But I don't see... Yeah, I think generally people are being fairly fair about this. Oftentimes people will give them crap for it, but most people are saying it's all good, thanks. People are saying about Immutable as well. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, whatever. I would imagine it wouldn't. I don't think it would. Immutable being down would not change this specifically. I think this is AWS. Now, I looked at the AWS Twitter. They didn't post anything about this. They didn't post anything about this at all, at least from what I can see. No, they didn't. Now, obviously, if we go to... Someone actually said their pardon me, status.aws.com. So... Okay, so they do put... They have the status there, which is good. And obviously now things are operating normally, which is nice. If we go to Down Detector, obviously we can see that there was a lot of issues back around 24 hours ago. But I think we are back now, and I think we can expect to see this, the good stuff happening. So all in all, not an issue. But if you're wondering why VeVe market goes down, generally it's because, a lot of these services, literally basically half the world, as far as online services are concerned, runs on AWS. I know Fortnite does, and so many other at-scale services do it because it's probably one of the best, if not the best, at what they do, especially I would assume for a scalability and price cost. It's one of the best out there. So personally, when these things happen, it is what it is. They can't really, they're not in a position to build their own network like that right now. ECOMI, I'm talking about here, obviously. I don't think that it'll be a while before they are able to go past AWS, if ever. I feel like this isn't, ECOMI's business isn't in making network services. It's building, apps and collectibles and all that stuff. So yeah, that's my personal take. Is it a huge issue? I mean, it's definitely an issue, but there's not really much we can do about it. And if we're talking about investments and, therefore comparing with other companies, everyone else is on the same boat there. So that's that. Quick little look as well at the VeVe Twitter. Currently, we can see that we are very close to hitting 150,000. Also, of course, we have a AMA happening tomorrow at 3 p.m. PT, so I will try and post that. They definitely... When these AMAs happen, then, they're always, 2 hours long, which is okay, but I run multiple different channels, so essentially having my computer stuck on one Ask Me Anything for 2 hours when I have other projects, it's difficult, but we do it sometimes. We definitely try, and I'm sure there'll be some updates going around with this, so I'll definitely be around for this, and I'll be posting updates on what's happening. But apart from that, everything else has been pretty smooth. Obviously, we also see the Marvel Spider-Man #3 featuring the first appearance of Dr. Octopus and VeVe exclusive rare. I think we may have at least... I think we didn't go through the details of this, mainly because we didn't have them yesterday, but we definitely saw the preview. So this is obviously... I'll quickly go over this, actually. Of course, it's Amazing Spider-Man #3. Let's go forward. So we have Classic Cover, which is the uncommon. It would be really cool if you could click on this and then tap right. I can't do that. I have to click off it and then go into that, but that's fine. It's like a carousel basically. So Classic Cover, common. Then we have Vintage Variant, uncommon. Then we have the Hero Variant, which is rare. Then we have the Vibranium Variant, which is ultra rare. That looks cool. And then we have the True Believer Variant, which is secret rare. Amazing Spider-Man #3, first appearance of Dr. Octopus, atomic scientist Dr. Otto Octavius was given the name Dr. Octopus. There's a lot of octos in this whole sentence. It's crazy. By his peers due to the 4 remote-controlled arms he had created. Then on a fateful day during an experiment, an explosion fused the metal arms to his body. Now on the verge of insanity, Dr. Octopus begins his criminal career as one of Spider-Man's greatest villains. I wouldn't say verge of insanity, I would say completely insane. There you go. Anyway. Pretty much all the same stuff here, except for this one was published in 63. Let's have a quick look. So I feel like this one will be worth more. That's just my hunch. I could be totally wrong, but we're going to have a look. See what the internet is saying. So for this one does go for a lot more then. Yeah, so we're looking at 100,000 there. We're looking at in the tens of thousands. This right here is 5.4k. So this one is likely going to be worth a lot more than the other one, which, you know, that's how these things go. That being said, will you be buying this? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to end this here because I do actually have another video I want to post to the channel today, going over some non-VeVe stuff, but definitely interesting and important stuff to anyone who is interested in VeVe anyway. So with that being said, if this video was interesting and helpful to you in any way, should perform a like, it's also appreciated. And if you would like to be kept happening in this topic every single day, most times today, this is my channel. I cover everything on every single day. So if you want to be happening, hit that subscribe button and keep notifications on. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next VeVe video.